Click on the link below to get price. The GoGo Kids electric bike is a delightful blend of fun, safety, and innovative features, designed specifically for young riders. From the moment my child hopped on, the sturdy build and vibrant design caught our attention. The bike's construction feels robust, providing confidence for parents while allowing kids to explore their surroundings. One of the standout features is the vibrant ambient lighting that not only adds an aesthetic touch but also enhances visibility during evening rides. This is a crucial aspect, as it ensures that children are seen by others, promoting safety. The lights can be adjusted to different patterns, allowing kids to express their personalities while riding. The electric motor offers a smooth and quiet ride, with speeds that are perfect for kids aged 6 to 12. It's easy to control, and the acceleration is gentle, which is a significant plus for beginners. The bike features 3 speed settings, allowing parents to set the maximum speed according to their child's comfort level. This flexibility helps build confidence in young riders as they become more accustomed to cycling. The battery life is impressive, providing enough power for extended playtime. The charging process is straightforward, and we found that a full charge lasts several hours, keeping our little one entertained without frequent interruptions. The bike also includes a simple braking system that is easy for kids to master, further enhancing safety. Another admirable aspect is the thoughtful design of the bike. The seat is adjustable, ensuring comfort as your child grows. The lightweight frame allows for easy handling by kids, and the tires are designed for stability and traction, making it suitable for various terrains. Overall, the GoGo Kids electric bike is an excellent investment for parents looking to encourage outdoor activity in a safe and exciting manner. Its combination of safety features, performance, and fun design makes it a fantastic choice for young adventurers.